Welcome back to Dividend and Conquer, your go-to channel for in-depth financial insights and expert advice on dividend stocks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the waters of the stock market, we're here to guide you through the intricacies of dividend investing. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and strategies you need to conquer the world of dividends, one stock at a time. Let's dive right in. In an ever-shifting market landscape, the stability of dividend stocks remains unmatched. Kicking off our curated list at the 10th spot, we're looking at Procter Gamble, known globally as P&G. This titan delivers an impressive array of consumer goods spanning from beauty and health sectors to home care and family products. Brands like Gillette, Head & Shoulders, and Old Spice are just the tip of the iceberg. Can you believe that P&G has been consistently upping its dividend for a whopping 66 years? This is the mark of a dividend king. To put it into perspective, dividend kings are companies that have raised their dividends for over 50 years, while dividend aristocrats have done so for over 25 years. A wise investment strategy: ensure your portfolio has a generous sprinkling of both, especially if your sights are set on long-term wealth generation. Shifting gears to healthcare, the importance of this sector cannot be overstated. One standout performer here is ABBV Inc., which spun out from Abbott Laboratories in 2013. They've innovated relentlessly, with products like the Freestyle Libre glucose monitor being testament to their prowess. Despite the world's economic ups and downs, healthcare products maintain their demand, making companies like ABBV stable investments. As for energy, think ExxonMobil. While there's a paradigm shift towards green energy, traditional energy sources aren't bowing out soon. With ExxonMobil, you're looking at an enterprise that's been reliable in dividend payments for an incredible 40 years. It's essential, however, to approach stocks with skyrocketing growth with a touch of caution. Remember, if you're gaining value from this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to Dividend and Conquer for more insights like this. In the realm of daily essentials, who hasn't heard of Johnson & Johnson? With an extensive product line from Tylenol to Band-Aids, coupled with an envious track record of dividend payments for 60 years, they've carved their niche. Consider also the brands that consumers are innately loyal to. Target, for instance, is a staple in many households. Despite its stock being down this year, it presents potential investors with a golden opportunity, given its strong market presence. On to telecommunications, the industry duopoly of AT&T and Verizon is hard to miss. AT&T stands out not just for its impressive reach, but also its commendable dividend yield. With the company focusing more on its core telecom business, it's solidifying its position in the market. Next, we have the financial sector's stalwart, Prudential. While they offer a suite of services, their core strength lies in life insurance and benefit administration. Consistent and steady, they are the embodiment of reliability in the financial world. Our penultimate highlight, Starbucks. Beyond just coffee, it's a global brand, a daily ritual, and for many, an absolute necessity. Their global outreach combined with a strong customer base makes it a strong contender for 2023's best dividend stock. Before we delve into the conclusions, it's crucial to take a more in-depth look into the nuances that make these stocks so impressive in their dividend payouts and market stability. Understanding the backbone of these companies not only provides us with a clearer picture of their current success, but also offers insight into their potential future trajectories. Let's start with number 1. Strong financial foundations. The essence of any long-standing company is its robust financial foundation. These firms consistently report solid balance sheets, showing more assets than liabilities. Their cash flow statements reveal healthy operating cash flows, ensuring they can sustain their dividends even during economic downturns. A keen eye would also notice their prudent management of debt, ensuring they're not over-leveraged, which could risk their dividend payouts in challenging times. 2. Diverse revenue streams. Another crucial factor that enhances market stability is the diversification of revenue streams. Companies that rely on a single product or service are more vulnerable to market fluctuations. On the other hand, the stocks we discussed have diversified portfolios, reducing dependency on a single source of income. This diversification acts as a buffer, ensuring consistent cash flow and, by extension, stable dividends. 3. Efficient management teams. Behind every successful company lies an effective management team. The businesses we've highlighted have leadership that has demonstrated foresight, strategic planning, and an ability to adapt to changing market conditions. The longevity of their dividend track records is a testament to the management's commitment to shareholder value. 4. Investments in research and development. A company's commitment to innovation is often indicative of its future growth potential. The top-performing dividend stocks often reinvest a significant portion of their profits into research and development. This investment not only helps them stay ahead of competitors, but also ensures they're prepared for future market demands, safeguarding their dividends. 5. Market presence and brand power. Establishing a strong market presence is no easy feat, and maintaining it is even harder. The stocks we've focused on have built a reputable brand image over the years. Their products or services are trusted by consumers, and their names are often synonymous with quality. This brand power translates to customer loyalty, ensuring consistent revenue streams and supporting dividend payouts. 6. Adherence to corporate governance. Corporate governance plays a pivotal role in ensuring transparency, ethical operations, and accountability. The companies we've analyzed stand out because of their strict adherence to these principles. Good corporate governance not only fosters trust among investors, but also mitigates potential risks that could threaten dividends. 7. Expansion and global outreach. Globalization has made it imperative for businesses to expand beyond their local territories. The dividend giants we've looked into have a significant international presence, ensuring they tap into the global market's potential. This international outreach helps them mitigate risks associated with local market downturns, further solidifying their dividend promises. 8. Future-proofing their operations. In this age of rapid technological advancements and shifting consumer preferences, companies must be agile. The stocks we've highlighted have shown a propensity to adapt, innovate, and evolve with changing times. By future-proofing their operations, they're not just ensuring their survival, but also positioning themselves for exponential growth, which bodes well for their dividends. 9. Commitment to sustainability. In the modern era, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. Companies are increasingly being judged by their environmental, social, and governance (ESG) practices. The dividend leaders in our analysis have shown a commitment to sustainable operations, ensuring they remain in investors' good books and maintain their attractive dividends. Lastly, 10. Proactive risk management. Finally, a company's ability to manage risks determines its long-term viability. Whether it's hedging against currency fluctuations, diversifying supply chains, or investing in cybersecurity, the companies we've delved into today have shown a knack for proactive risk management, ensuring their dividends aren't jeopardized by unforeseen challenges. It's evident that the stocks we've delved into today stand out not just for their impressive dividend track records, but also their market stability. While investing always carries inherent risks, these companies showcase consistency, reliability, and promise for the future. As we wrap up our discussion on some of the most promising dividend stocks, we want to engage with our loyal community. Let's get the conversation going with a thought-provoking question. Many of you have been on this investment journey for years, while others might be just starting. Share with us. What was the first dividend stock you ever purchased, and how has it performed for you? Do you have any success or cautionary tales that can benefit fellow investors? The rich tapestry of experiences and insights within our community is what makes Dividend and Conquer a collaborative platform. By sharing and learning from each other, we can make more informed and strategic decisions. Please drop your answers and thoughts in the comments below. Engage with fellow viewers, and let's foster a space where every opinion is valued and every question leads to deeper understanding. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining us on Dividend and Conquer today. To stay updated on dividend stocks and more, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep your investments smart and your dividends flowing.